Fancy yourself a bit of a treasure hunter? Well, did you know you can extract gold from your old PCBs? Those are the printed circuit boards inside your computers and other electronics. And what you'll want is to break or cut away the gold fingers. Those are the connectors you can see being snipped away here. Get as little of the other plastic as possible. Pile it up. And what you're going to want to do to separate the gold from the PCB or gold fingers is use a 68% nitric acid solution mixed 1 to 2 with water. Let it soak, occasionally stirring it around, and you can see it dissolving there, disappearing in an amazing green mist and starting to break the whole thing down. Once that's done, use a colander to separate the gold plate from the PCB and clean the water. So rinse it through a number of times. Of course, it's important to have a basin underneath that's going to be able to hold all the water you rinse it over with. And once you're satisfied with how thoroughly you've rinsed it and all these little gold flakes and particles are done, then filter it again, now through a finer sieve or colander with a filter paper over top, and you can see what you get there. It looks promising. It's not all gold. Once you've got this, the gold scrap, it needs to be made more pure. For that, you process them with an Aqua Regia solution, and you'll end up with almost pure gold. A few steps left to go, and don't be concerned when it turns into this black sludge. That is a sign it's working properly. You can see it all mixed up there now. And what you'll need to do is use sodium metabisulfate to precipitate the gold out of that Aqua Regia solution. And you'll see a fine black sludge at the bottom. Rinse it with hot water a few times and even boil it. What you want is that dark black powder. Make sure not to spill or lose any of that, as little as possible anyways. Once it's all boiled down and all you've got is that black powder, well, then it's time to turn it into one solid piece of gold. For that, sprinkle a little borax on the powder and heat it either with induction or torch heating. Remember, if using a torch, the pressure can actually cause some of that gold dust or powder to fly away, so be careful. Occasionally, add a little more borax, and you'll start to see results. All that black powder will start to join together, and what you'll end up with is a lovely little nugget of gold like this.